Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to do the Temu gift calendar method. Now to do this method, you can either search it up right here, gift calendar, okay, to access this, or you can come here, click on you, and then you'll see gift calendar, okay? So, after you make a qualifying purchase, right, to start this calendar, you start it up, and then what you do, you will need to pick an ultimate reward. So you pick your ultimate reward after you do the checkout, right? Just say this one, and you pick this, okay? This is all the details. Then you place your order to get this to start the calendar, okay? And then what you basically need to do is you need to go ahead and confirm your shipping address for this reward and several other items. So you check this calendar daily, okay? You have to do this. You select your chosen gifts, and then you claim them by completing a checkout for a small, qualifying order each day to receive them for free. That's literally all there is to it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.